Did you know that 1 tablespoon of this ingredient can wipe out nail and skin fungus fast? If you're struggling with nail and skin fungus, stop what you're doing and listen closely. Every nail and skin fungus sufferer must see this urgent video. There's a mind-bending solution that has been crushing every single lab test, leaving doctors speechless. In fact, this totally surprising mix of ingredients is so powerful that taking just 1 tablespoon can make any infection vanish almost overnight, while completely clearing your nails and skin, and without you having to use any creams or antibiotics. Click or tap the link below to watch this eye-opening video where it's all explained. This all-natural solution is so powerful it has already helped 41,400 men and women of all ages, and it's helping thousands more every week. The latest clinical studies from the prestigious Yale University discovered the real cause of nail and skin fungus, and it's not what you were told. Your dry skin and yellow nails are just the tips of the iceberg of debilitating issues that are building up inside your body for decades, which is why you can't ignore this. It's a symptom of something much worse. I will reveal to you the shocking secret that Big Pharma has been trying to hide from you for decades, and how a simple hidden protocol will help to easily flush away the fungus living inside your body and get rid of that dry, cracking skin and those ugly, yellow nails. This will finally rid you of foul-smelling feet and nails and help to avoid painful and costly laser surgery that is a temporary solution at best. Stephen from Columbus, Georgia, had his entire hand covered with fungus for 10 years. Once he was able to apply this new breakthrough formula, his fungus was gone almost instantly and has not returned, even after stopping this new protocol. Dr. Gray first heard about this remedy through a patient of his who was a type 2 diabetic and had been suffering from nail fungus, which is a common condition for diabetics as a medical professional. He was extremely wary of alternative cures, especially ones with big promises, but to his surprise, his patient was able to manage his nail fungus in just under a week. After double-checking the information in this presentation, he was truly inspired by the scientific research behind it, as well as the countless successful case studies. He now refers all of his patients suffering from fungus infections to this new protocol. Let me show you how everyone who's tried it has perfect 100% fungus-free hands and feet, and why this is the most powerful fungus-destroying solution on the planet. Click or tap the link below to watch this eye-opening video before it's taken down.